Hey guys, what's up? It's Queenie here. Let's get right into this video. So as you guys can see, I'm starting off on freshly washed hair. So my hair is clean, conditioned and moisturized and ready to be slicked up into a ponytail that'll last about a week without getting too dry and crazy. So I start off with some water to make it easier for me to spread the gel through my hair, and then I go in with some Eco Styler, this big old bucket. I like to use the green one, the olive oil one, and I basically just dump the whole thing into my hair, or you could just scoop up some and start slicking it, but I like to use quite a bit, and I like to spread that around the perimeter of my hair. And this process probably takes the longest because if you take your time and spread the Eco Styler and brush it slowly, you will get a flatter ponytail. So as you can see, I'm slicking it on the ends of my hair and on the perimeter, and I'm just taking my time and brushing it and getting rid of all the knots so my ponytail can be nice and smooth. We don't want a clumpy, bumpy, thick ponytail because then your head's gonna look super long and we don't want that. So as you guys can see, I'm just going ahead and I'm tying it into this little tiny ponytail bun thing situation, slicking it up, getting every single piece in there, making sure my head is not too tight because we don't want a headache either, but just make sure you get it nice and smooth. So take your time and then tie it into this little bun. Alright, so as you guys can see, I have bobby pinned things in place, and then I'm just making things extra smooth and making sure nothing is going to move and be sticking out later. So I'm just making sure the back is also secure. So now I'm going in with this drawstring ponytail that I got for $15, and it's amazing. It's an OUTRE drawstring ponytail. It's called Timeless, and as you can see, it's like a Kanekalon braiding hair type situation going on, so it matches natural hair perfectly, and it's not too big and poofy, but it also has like a nice blowout look to it, so it's perfect. So I just go ahead and I clip that on my head. Obviously it's a drawstring ponytail, and then I flip it over and I draw the string and then I just make sure it's nice and secure, and then I go on to style the rest of my hair. Alright, so because this hair is a drawstring pony, you don't need to do this part. It looks pretty natural without, but I still like to take a piece from the back and wrap it around the base of the ponytail to kind of give it a style and also cover up anything that might be showing later. So I just do that and then I pin it in place, and it kind of gives it a bit more coverage. So now I'm going to go on to style my edges, and I'm going in with this new edge control I got that will be revealed in the next video. I am so sorry I'm not talking about it just yet, but I need to dedicate a video to this edge control. But the focus of this is getting the ponytail done. So I'm using an edge control. You know what? I'll tell you guys. It is called Belle Roche. The edge control is called Belle Roche. I will show you guys in my next video though. So I'm just doing a simple swoop motion thing going on, so I'm making my edges extra smooth. Alright, so as you guys can see, I'm not using too much edge control. You don't want to use too much product on your edges because we want this ponytail to last a long time, so we don't want it to start flaking and getting all crusty and dusty in 2 days. So be easy on the edge control and any product on your hairline because it will ruin your whole style if you are too heavy-handed. So as you can see, my hair is nice and smooth now, and I'm going to lay my scarf on this for a few minutes so it can set. So I'm going to leave this on for about 10 minutes or a bit longer if you're getting ready, which is fine. I try not to leave it on too long because I don't want my hair to get all wavy. So yeah, 10 minutes should do, and I'm going to brush out my ponytail and wait, and we will be right back. Alright, so it has been about 10 minutes. We are back and ready to check on these edges. Okay. Wow. Whew. Okay. So as you can see, everything is laid and smooth, and giving it that time to set will make this style last a lot longer. You don't want to just be stepping out with wet gel in your hair because then it'll start to frizz up and flip up really quick. So that time to set and dry helped so much. Sealing the edges with some edge control obviously is great, and we're good to go. So this is it for the ponytail. It's easy. I usually get this done in about 20 minutes, if even, maybe 15. And yeah, that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed this. Make sure you thumbs up this video, comment down below, let me know what your favorite drawstring ponytail is. Let me know if there's other ones I should try. So make sure you subscribe, and I will see you all in the next one. Bye.